Here is some alphabet. Move the hand in the letter. Everyone match the dot, okay? A, B, C, D. Match the dot. And here is join the dots and color the picture. Here is a picture. Here is a picture. Tell me which picture is here? It's a balloon. Which picture? Which picture? Which picture? Here is apple. 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 Everyone match the dot and fill the color, okay? Both picture.